Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the Igloo. Both machines promise convenience and efficiency, but how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Sweetcrispy ice maker stands out with its impressive speed, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, generating 8 cylinder-shaped cubes in 7 to 8 minutes. If quick access to ice is your priority, the Sweetcrispy has the edge. Both machines boast impressive daily production capacities, with the Sweetcrispy capable of producing 26.5 pounds of ice per day, slightly edging out the Igloo's 26 pounds. This means both models can keep up with your ice needs, whether for parties or everyday use. When it comes to design, the Igloo ice maker shines with its compact dimensions, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or spaces. The Sweetcrispy, while slightly larger, offers a portable design with a carry handle, making it suitable for outdoor activities. Your choice here will depend on your space and portability needs. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Igloo countertop ice makers offer unique advantages. If you value speed and versatility, the Sweetcrispy is a fantastic choice. However, if you need a compact and stylish option, the Igloo might be the better fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.